Told you he'd be here. Morning, friend.
Yeah, morning.
Schools within Jamaica's wider early childhood educational system will now have access to the Graphogame literacy app free of cost. This is especially important in this time of COVID, where learning loss has been so significant. To tell us more, we have Simone Sobers, founder, Winston Wishes for Kids, the organization that is giving the donation of the app, and Dan Pollard, and she's the president and chief executive officer of the ISA Foundation. Good morning to you both. Welcome to Smart Jamaica.
Good morning.
Morning, thank you.
Ms. Simone, let me start with you. Tell me about the Winston Wishes for Kids.
Good morning. Winston Wishes for Kids was born February 2020. We are here to build literacy, dismantle the stigma around special education. We offer early intervention and detection, equip our teachers with the necessary tools so that they can best nurture our children in the classroom. As we know, every child can learn, they all learn differently.
Yeah. Who is Winston?
Oh, Winston was my dear sister who left us 28 years ago. And my children decided that we should name the organization after her.
I'm sorry about that, and fantastic that you're doing it.
Yeah, and it's always a great initiative when we try to rid literacy or illiteracy from our country and from our education system. But why and what is the future for this program, Winston Wishes for Kids?
So we're here to stay. We are only 18 months. However, we see a need for our teachers to understand how best the children learn. And I believe with that understanding, they will be able to nurture the children's education growth. So children are born every day. So we're going to be here for a long time so that we can guide our teachers and help them to nurture the children's education journey.
Fantastic. Ms. Dai, tell me about your foundation and your connection with this, please.
Good morning. Well, my name again is Diane Pollard, and I President and CEO of this Trust Foundation. And we focus on pediatric healthcare and education for children in the country. So this is really imperative for what we do to help children and correlation to what they are doing with this Graphogame. So it's very, very key. We are a U.S. nonprofit, and we are established in 2005 by Couples Resorts as a 501c corporation with operational presence in and partners throughout Jamaica.
Awesome. So what is the plan for the rollout of this app? Because when a new app comes about, everybody wants to get on it, everybody wants to be a part of it. What is the plan for the app?
So we have partnered with ISA Trust, and they have generously come on board to help us with this rollout. We are trying to get it into every child's hand, every family hand. And we're going to be working with various organizations. We have shared the information with the Ministry of Education to let them know that we're doing this. We are going to go to the churches. We're going to go to any organization that is willing to embrace us and to support us as we get this relevant app into the children's hands in Jamaica.
Yep. When we say children here, what age group are we talking about? And is it only for children?
As a matter of fact, because our organization is geared to the early childhood years, and as we know, if we can impact the children in the early childhood years, going to the next level, elementary, secondary, we won't have any issue. However, the app is for children who are struggling readers. I mean, if they're, older and they're having, their teachers are finding that they have issues with reading, then yes, that they can use it. As a matter of fact, adults who are struggling readers or non-readers themselves can benefit from this app.
Yeah, thank you. Diane, tell us a little bit more about any current programs that are under the ISA Trust Foundation in Jamaica.
Well, in the past, we had to really stop some of our programs, but We have in the past really focused on the Vision Mission, which provides glasses to children at no cost. They get a free eye exam and glasses. And this really helps with the literacy rate for this Graphogame because they have to be able to see, to be able to read and to learn. So that is really a key program of what we do. We have also, though, had our neonatal and pediatric programs help remodel St. Anne's Bay pediatric and neonatal wards. And through those partnerships, we're able to lower mortality rates by 60% in 4 years. So we really focus on also computer labs for kids, providing labs for Rockabessa Primary School, Freehill, Three Hill, and help with the literacy rates that way. And also donate pharmaceutical medications to make sure that children and families have the medication through the partnership with National Health Fund across the entire island. And in fact, to date, we have donated over $30 million US to the pharmaceutical medication segment. We know it's imperative for children to be healthy. And so again, health and education do go hand in hand. So this is a really good partnership.
Yeah, and you speak about health and education going hand in hand. Your role in this, what is the expectation? What are your expectations of this app being implemented to kind of rid Jamaica of its illiteracy?
Right. Well, we just want to really help get the word out and get this app out to all schools and in the hands of the parents. And so through our network, we hope to be able to partner with them to help with their goals and get this out there. So because this is a fantastic app, it's a fantastic opportunity. It's free and easy to use. And so anything we can do to help, we're more than happy to do so.
Yep. So Simone, you get the final word. So as Dan just said and you said earlier, it is free for everyone. Not difficult to get, I suspect.
I didn't hear you. Could you repeat, please?
I said you get the final word to tell us exactly how we get that app. And it is free, as Dan said, and you said earlier, it is free, right?
That is correct. It's a free download. Once downloaded, no connectivity needed to play the game. And they go on graphogame.com or they can visit www.kids.org to get this app downloaded for free. And if I could just take a moment to say thank you to the Issa Trust Foundation for coming on board. We appreciate you. And just recently, Digital Foundation has joined us. And also thank you to AYS Global Consult for all that they're doing to ensure that this project goes extremely well and for us to get the app into the children's hands in Jamaica. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thanks to you both for speaking with us this morning. God bless you both. Take
Thank
care.
you.
God bless you guys. Thank you. Have a great day.
Simone Sobers, founder of Winston Wishes for Kids.
Yeah, and Diane Pollard, the president and CEO of the Issa Foundation. Still to come, supporting our seniors. Tatione's Accessories zooms in for an interview after News in 5.